Tired of juggling a million things on your phone? Feeling overwhelmed by information overload? Wish you had a smarter assistant to help you out? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how you can access Gemini, Google's latest and most powerful AI, right on your smartphone. Gemini is not just another chatbot, it's a game changer. Imagine having a super intelligent assistant that can understand your needs, answer your questions with incredible accuracy, and even help you create stunning content. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's closer than you think. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the different ways to access Gemini on your phone to exploring its incredible capabilities. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the true potential of AI in your pocket. Accessing Gemini on your phone. Transition to a clean, modern interface showcasing the Google app. The easiest way to access Gemini is through the Google app. Open the Google app on your phone. Type your query into the search bar. For example, what's the weather in Paris? Or write a short story about a robot exploring Mars. Hit enter. Gemini will analyze your request and provide you with a comprehensive response. Demonstrate a simple query and show the AI-generated response. See how it instantly provides you with the current weather in Paris. And when you ask for a creative piece, Gemini will generate a unique and engaging story. Pretty impressive, right? Exploring Gemini's capabilities. Transition to a series of quick cuts showcasing different Gemini applications. But that's just the beginning. Gemini is a multifaceted AI with a wide range of capabilities. Information retrieval. Need quick answers to any question? Gemini can provide accurate and up-to-date information on a vast array of topics, from history and science to current events and pop culture. Creative content generation. Whether you're stuck in a writer's block or need help brainstorming ideas, Gemini can assist you in generating. Creative text formats. Poems, stories, scripts, musical pieces, code, and more. Different creative content styles, humorous, formal, persuasive, and everything in between. Translation. Need to translate text or have a conversation in a foreign language? Gemini can seamlessly translate between multiple languages, making communication a breeze. Summarization. Overwhelmed by long articles or documents? Gemini can quickly summarize key information, saving you valuable time and effort. Few examples of these capabilities in action. Ask Gemini to summarize a Wikipedia article on the history of the Internet. Display the summarized text. Request Gemini to write a short poem about a lonely astronaut. Display the generated poem. Translate a simple English phrase into Spanish. Display the translation. Going beyond basic interactions. Transition to a more in-depth demonstration, showcasing advanced features. But Gemini goes beyond simple question and answer interactions. You can have more complex conversations with it. Ask follow-up questions. Based on that information, what are the top tourist attractions in Paris? Provide context. I'm planning a trip to Rome next month. Can you suggest some itinerary ideas? Refine your requests. Can you make that poem a bit more humorous? Gemini will adapt to your conversation and provide increasingly relevant and personalized responses. Tips for effective Gemini use. Transition to a more instructional tone, providing helpful tips. To get the best results from Gemini, keep these tips in mind. Be specific with your requests. The more precise your instructions, the better Gemini can understand and fulfill your needs. Experiment with different prompts, try various phrasing and keywords to see how Gemini responds and refine your queries accordingly. Review and refine. Gemini's responses are not always perfect. Review the output and provide feedback or refine your prompts to get the desired outcome. Stay updated. Gemini is constantly evolving. Keep an eye out for new features and updates to unlock even more powerful capabilities. Exploring further with Google AI Search. For even more advanced AI interactions, explore Google AI Search. This feature allows you to have more conversational and interactive experiences with Gemini. Access Google AI Search by typing your query into the Google app and tapping on the AI icon. Engage in a more dynamic conversation with Gemini, asking follow-up questions, providing context, and exploring different avenues of inquiry. For example, you can ask, "What are some fun things to do in New York City this weekend?" and then follow up with, "Can you find me some affordable restaurants near Times Square?" Safety and ethical considerations. While Gemini offers incredible potential, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Be mindful of the information you share. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information with the AI. Verify information. Always double-check information obtained from any AI source, including Gemini. Be aware of potential biases. AI models can sometimes reflect biases present in the data they were trained on. By using Gemini responsibly and ethically, we can unlock its true potential while mitigating potential risks. With Gemini, the power of AI is now readily available in your pocket. From answering simple questions to generating creative content, this cutting-edge technology can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. So, start exploring Gemini today and discover the incredible ways it can assist you in your daily life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.